Alright, so here are some tips on the collision lab that I wanted to leave you. First of all, notice that I've placed down some plain white printer paper, and you might want more than what I've just put down here for demonstration purposes. But you want it to be wide enough that you don't miss it, and you'll probably want to tape it down as well. And then you'll see I've got a plumb line that is showing us what point is directly below the edge of the paper. You don't want to measure from up under there, under the lab table, when that's not where the ball started horizontally. Also, remember I mentioned in class the other day, but there is actually a popsicle stick under there to keep this level. Notice I've got the ball that's initially at rest on the launching apparatus there. And as you see, what will happen is when I release it from just a given height up here after the collision, the reason we have the white paper down there is because these balls, these metal balls, when they hit the white paper on the concrete floor, they'll leave a little dimple. So if I launch it, and that was an utter failure because I missed the entire paper. So you may do that. If you do, then just reset it. But just to give you an idea of what I'm talking about, here's a test ball. You can see right there. So you left that little mark. And what you'll probably want to do is just measure or label that, what trial it was and what ball it was. And then the other thing I haven't shown you here that you probably want to do is when you do your initial momentum calculation by launching the ball without the target ball on the pedestal, that'll give you a line that will serve as your axis that is what I would call the y-axis in this frame of reference, going this way. And so that's the one that you know is going to remain positive for both balls before and after. And then the perpendicular axis then is the one where you have to worry about positive and negative. But so in other words, launch a trial run and use the path of that initial momentum ball to set up your axes so you know what straight off of the launching device is. All right, call or text if you have questions, and make good use of your time.